glittering. All right, y'all. You don't have to go slow. My camera broke. The G7X. Now I'm filming on my Canon M100. But I'm going to pay this ticket today. I had went to the courtroom, so I woke up early. And I waited 3 hours in that courtroom just for them to hand me a piece of paper. I'm about to see if this girl is at the house so we can drop off her computer after I pay my ticket. I think my friend wants to come with me. I'm about to see right now. Let's see if she's gonna ride.
This school bus.
I tried to be cute, y'all, because I ain't got no makeup on, but
look good.
Thank you, baby. I tried to throw a little cream and orange. It's a cream dress. Layla with us today. I can see I have one. She watching the iPad. Every day is not going to be like Christmassy, because I don't do a lot of stuff every day. I'm going to put up the tree though, and so most of this weekend, but the weekends is going to be popping, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. But other than that, like Monday through Thursday, it's just like based on like real life people stuff. So I'm about to edit because I got my computer right here. And while we on our way to Kankakee, well, first of all, let me see if the girls is headphones. It's light outside finally. See, look, I ain't do my makeup, so of course it ain't dark. I'm about to edit these pictures, y'all. I want some Christmas pajamas. I want they having this Christmas party, y'all. I just got invited to. They having this Christmas party. You're required to wear pajamas, but I don't know. I might not go. I'm gonna ask my friend if they gonna go. But my friend's supposed to be having some of the shit factory this week, so I think I'm gonna go because she had invited me. We supposed to be going to the ship factory or whatever. What you doing this weekend, baby?
Tats. I'm running it up all December.
Oh, okay. Yeah, send him up. He did my tattoo, y'all. Period. He having a deal. So, oh yeah, he having a right, a raffle. So go check his page out for the raffle. How many tickets you can purchase up to?
3 a person.
3 a person. You can purchase the tickets, and you basically getting a free tattoo if you win. If you live in Chicago, y'all can hit him up. I'm gonna leave his stuff in the description about, you know, anywhere.
Surrounding suburbs.
Anywhere, Illinois, or out of Illinois, if y'all willing to make that drive. But yeah, he having a special. And he still gotta put my color in my tattoo, so I'm still waiting. So I'm still waiting on that. I sold this computer. I sold my old computer, so this is the new one that I just got. That thing is like real loose. I just got this new one, and I sold my old one. It's back there for $500. She lives out here, so I'm gonna have to take it to her. It's about to be edited, so we're gonna have to talk about the chilling car and this Vlogmas something too. It's just like my stuff be getting out late. I'm probably gonna have to go to Starbucks to upload it. This camera is good for vlogging, but I don't know, the G7X looks so much better, and I'm also gonna see who can fix it. So it's just a lot of moving around today. Huh?
It looked like it was smaller.
What?
The other one.
I like it though. No, yeah, it looked more. I don't know.
It was small. It was easier to work with.
True. And the other one is more. I don't know. It's more clearer than this one.
This clip.
I mean, I like this one for photos.
That one look bright.
I'm gonna see if I can get it fixed. It's probably something minor because when I was filming, y'all, oh my god. The wind was so cold yesterday. Our fingertips was fucking freezing, like hurting. Shit, that shit was hurting. But let me see who can fix it. If I don't find nobody before, yeah, I'm gonna check out Google Spot if they can fix it. It's probably something really, really small. Upload when I get. I gotta say goodbye to my laptop. She about to go. This is where all the magic happened, y'all. Everything to where I go my father goodbye. I'm gonna miss you. You're gonna go into the hands of somebody who's gonna do really wonderful things with you. She's coming right now. Hold this. I think it's okay. Hey, girl. Thank you. Hey, girl. You supposed to come. Look. Oh, you vlogging? Oh my God, girl. Look a mess. Look, y'all. It's gone. It's about to leave. Yeah. Yes. My charger raggedy.
It's okay.
Make sure you clean. My dumbass. I ain't cleaning out. So just make sure you get like.
Good, girl. What you got home, girl?
Ariana Grande.
Oh, that smells good.
We was at work. Chat. I'm not picking you up. Well, I like the onesie though. You like the onesie? What, mama?
Oh, well, yeah.
You ain't a crybaby. Do y'all see her? They see you acting up. See these matching, these onesies right here. Let me show y'all. This one. I'm trying to see if they have one that match, that I can get one for Layla that match. It's just something about a onesie that's gonna fit that body right. Onesies at all?
Not this one. I see it fit like this, but it's not onesie. Yeah, let me again like that. I like that.
You wanna die? I didn't get nothing from out of Old Navy only because I'm like, you know what? I might as well go to Pink because Pink might have a onesie. And I'm going to the mall anyway, but I gotta go to the house to upload this video. So I'm about to go in Starbucks because I want a hot chocolate. White hot chocolate is so good. And we about to do that. And then we about to go back home so I can upload this video and then to the malls to see what the fuck they got.
What size were you thinking of?
I'm getting a white hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Like a Lego cookie.
That little cookie right there.
Oh, you zoom in on it. Bless you. That looks good.
She got it, but she be moving fast.
I do. White Castles. Ready to get some food, and then I guess we're gonna head back to the house to upload this video and then do some more stuff. Thank you.
Would you like any sauce in the bag?
Honey mustard. Okay. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Yeah, you're so fun.